Well, first of all, what are we drinking here? What do you got here?
Well, tonight I actually mixed us up my version of an old fashioned, which I like to use what's called blood orange bitters. About a half a shot of that. I'll do a half a shot of simple syrup, and then I prefer a rye whiskey in mine. Tonight we're using the Bullet Rye, which is one of my favorites. It's a go-to for me. Another good one for me is Old Forester 100. Those are middle shelf bourbons that they're 100 proof and they just have the bite, but when you add the syrup and the bitters,
nice finish on it.
yeah.
Quite.
And then of course I've got the way I smoke my drinks with the oak wood, just a plank of wood, some holes drilled in it, and a torch. Set it on top of the glass and just burn the top of the wood, and that smoke just drops down into the glass. You can fill it full and just let it sit and soak for a while, and it just adds another element to it. And
I gotta say, they're definitely better than some of them I've had for sure.
yeah, they are pretty smooth and very sneaky.
Yeah, that's why I probably shouldn't drink them, because I'll end up underneath the podcast table before too long.
Yeah,
So.
it's definitely easy to do.
Yeah.